Absolutely fantastic day of salmon fishing right here. Big Trace is making his first guest star appearance on the channel, but watch me reel in this big steelhead trout. They have faces that kind of only a mother can love, so when you see him, you'll be able to tell why. Oh, yeah. I know. Easily one of the most fun fishing trips I've been on. Sweet, good job. What are we doing? Officially my first ever steelhead. Put around some of its war scars. Great fish. Let's put it in the box. Number 13, I think. Number 13. I love both my dogs equally, so here's baby Trace's first day at the beach. You guys really thought I forgot, didn't you? Here's Beans as Harry Potter.